Hello everyone and welcome back to Master English Channel. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. Today we are going to learn English conversations that people use at the airport.
Yes, and this is a very useful topic because many people feel nervous at the airport, especially when they have to speak English.
Exactly. You may know English, but at the airport people speak quickly, and sometimes you don't know what to say.
So today we will help you speak simple and natural English at the airport.
We'll cover check-in, security check, asking for directions, boarding, and even common mistakes.
And if you enjoy learning English in a simple way, make sure you subscribe to Master English Channel, like this video, and comment below what topic you want next.
All right, Sarah, let's start from the beginning.
Okay, Daniel, imagine you arrive at the airport and go to the check-in counter.
The airport staff may say, "Good morning. May I have your passport and ticket?"
And you can reply, "Sure, here you are."
Simple and polite.
Then the staff may ask, "Do you have any bags to check in?"
Check-in means giving your luggage to the airline before the flight.
Exactly. You can answer, "Yes, I have one suitcase." Or, "No, only hand luggage."
Many learners make a mistake here.
Oh yes, some people say, "I have one baggage."
But baggage is usually uncountable.
Correct. Better sentences are, "I have one bag," or "I have some baggage."
Then the airport staff may ask, "Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?"
Window seat means near the window.
And aisle seat means near the walking area inside the plane.
You can say, "I'd like a window seat, please."
Or an aisle seat would be great.
After that, they may say, "Here is your boarding pass."
Your boarding pass is very important. Don't lose it.
Definitely not. Imagine losing it and then running around the airport like in a movie.
And sweating like crazy.
And missing the flight?
That became a horror story very fast.
All right, now let's move to security check.
At security, an officer may say, "Please put your bags on the belt."
Or, "Please remove your shoes and jacket."
Sometimes they also say, "Do you have any liquids or electronics in your bag?"
You can answer, "Yes, I have a laptop." Or, "No, I don't."
Another useful sentence is, "Do I need to take out my phone?"
Good one.
Sarah, many people get confused between boarding and checking in.
True. Checking in happens before security.
And boarding means entering the airplane.
Exactly.
Now, let's practice a mini conversation.
I'll be the airport staff.
And I'll be the passenger.
Good afternoon. May I see your passport?
Yes, here it is.
Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, one suitcase.
Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
Perfect. Here is your boarding pass. Gate number 12.
Thank you.
Very natural and easy.
Now, let's talk about asking for directions inside the airport.
Airports can be confusing.
Especially big airports.
You walk for 10 minutes and still don't know where your gate is.
And then suddenly you hear, "Final boarding call."
Panic starts immediately.
So here are some useful sentences.
Excuse me, where is gate 20?
How can I get to Terminal 2?
Is this the line for security check?
Where can I find the baggage claim area?
Baggage claim is the place where you collect your bags after landing.
Very important phrase.
Another useful sentence is, "My flight is delayed."
Delayed means late.
Example, "My flight has been delayed by 2 hours."
That sentence hurts emotionally.
Especially when you're hungry and the airport food is expensive.
Airport coffee feels like luxury shopping.
So true. Now let's talk about common mistakes.
Mistake number 1. Where is my flight?
That sounds strange.
Better sentence. Where is my gate?
Or, what time is my flight?
Mistake number 2. I lost my baggage.
It's understandable, but more natural English is, my luggage is missing.
Or, I can't find my bag.
Easy and natural.
Sarah, what if someone misses their flight?
Then they can say, I missed my flight. What should I do now?
Useful sentence.
Very useful. Before we end this episode, let's do one more quick real-life conversation.
Great idea. Excuse me, where is gate 15?
Go straight and turn left.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Simple English can help you a lot while traveling.
Absolutely. You do not need difficult English. You just need clear and confident English.
And practice.
Exactly. The more you practice, the more natural your English becomes.
If you enjoyed this podcast, don't forget to subscribe to Master English Channel.
Like this video and comment below. Have you ever traveled by airplane?
And tell us what English topic you want next.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
We'll see you in the next episode of Master English Channel.
Bye, everyone.
Take care and keep practicing your English.